Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm TC and this is TC's Project 253. So today we're gonna play with some motors. Gonna take everything off this 5.3 and we're gonna put it all onto the 6 liter. Now I already took the intake off because it wasn't even bolted when I got the engine, it just lifted off. So it's off. So the plan today is we're gonna start with stripping the 6 liter. Take off all the old truck parts I don't want for the drift car. Oh, by the way, this is going into the 240. It's going in here. This motor tried to unbolt that, but it ended up breaking off. Who needs an air pump anyway, right? There's some crap that belongs on the truck, not on the drift car. Those bolts did break off though, so let's hope the header bolts don't break off because I don't feel like sitting there with a drill and a tap and you know what I mean? Yeah. I already took the intake off because it was unbolted. Without filming, I pulled off the clutch fan because that's just bullshit. Got the coil packs off. Next will be the exhaust manifolds. And then later on, I'm gonna have to do something with that oil pan, so gotta change the oil sump location. But for now, let's keep stripping it. So I pulled off the intake manifold, the clutch fan, the exhaust manifolds, motor mounts. Now the rest of the stuff that's on there is kind of protecting stuff from falling into the engine, and there's a lot of loose grime on it. So before I take more stuff off, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. So let's plug some holes and make a little squirt. Alright, it's all plugged up, blocked up, so let's spray some of this crap. Went shopping at Canadian Tire yesterday and bought it, so I don't know if it works good or not, but we'll spray it on, let it sit a bit, then I'll start scrubbing. And now we wait. So instead of stopping the flow of things and explaining every 2 seconds, I'll tell you what's up for the next little bit of this project. I'm gonna take this wire brush, clean that up with all that degreaser on there, move the stuff around, get the spots that are really crusty, really nasty. Anyways, wire brush, razor blade, get off the old gasket gunk, clean this grease off of it and everything, shake everything up. I might spray it down again with the degreaser just to give it a little bit more love. And then after that, maybe some brake cleaner, because brake cleaner just rips everything, all the chemicals and all that crap off of there that you want gone. We'll start cleaning up individual pieces and putting it back together.
Ladies and gentlemen, this drawing was made in 1919, 9 years before Roger Myers made his first itchy and scratchy cartoon.
So I've been trying to Scotch-Brite the aluminum parts on this engine to make it shine a little bit, get the dirt, the grime off, and it's going okay, but my little electric battery drill keeps dying on me. It's the second time I've had to charge it now. So I'll show you where we're at. A bit better than it was. Thinking that I'm gonna take maybe the coil packs off my 5.3. paint the mounts black, make them shine, make them glossy. And also, I can start cleaning the intake from the truck. Now I'm gonna use this big, ugly old truck manifold. This is gonna be just a nasty, gnarly drift car. So I really don't mind if this whole piece is sticking out of the hood. It looks not bad. It actually looks horrible. But it looks ugly, nasty, and that's the whole point of this drift car. It's just gonna be a war machine. I'm gonna get back at it. Coil packs are separated from the bracket and the wiring. The wiring's easy to get off. It's just a bunch of little plugs. Just pop those off. There's 2 bolts in every coil pack. So with the brackets separated from the coil packs, I'm gonna clean up the brackets, sand them real quick, and get them ready for a nice coat of fresh black spray paint. Just gonna give it a quick spray, quick wipe down with some brake cleaner, and then we should be ready to throw some paint at it. Alright guys, so paint's drying, batteries are charging, kind of throws a stick in my gears here, kind of slows me down for right now. But I did just get a message that I've got to go check out for some parts for the 240 project. Sort of start making a plan for that. There's a lot of work to do. I'm gonna go see Jay at Kiwi Performance. So the next video is probably gonna be putting all this back together. Stay tuned for more progress. Thanks for watching. Peace out and stay happy.